In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images into shapes. This is a simple way to make your designs feel more polished, whether you're creating a presentation, a social post, or a header image. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any photo into a clean, shaped cutout. Start by opening your project. Give it a moment to load so everything is responsive. Once your canvas is ready, click on the image you want to crop. You should see it become active with a highlight or selection outline. With the image selected, click Edit. This opens a side panel on the left, which is where we'll find the tools we need. In the side panel, look for the Apps section. Within Apps, find the Shape Cropper. Go ahead and click it. This brings up a library of preset shapes you can use to frame your image. You'll typically see popular options right away, like circles, rounded rectangles, stars, and more. If you want a wider range, click See All to browse the full collection. This is especially helpful if you're aiming for something specific, like a badge, a geometric look, or a more decorative silhouette. Choose a shape that fits the mood and layout of your design, then click it. A preview will appear so you can position your photo inside that shape before applying it. Click and drag on the preview to adjust the position of your image within the shape. Take your time here. Center important details. Avoid cutting off faces or key elements, and leave a bit of breathing room near the edges so the shape doesn't feel cramped. If your image has a strong subject, try aligning it along visual thirds to create a balanced composition. When you're happy with how it looks, click Add to Design. Your shaped image will be placed back onto your canvas, ready to move, layer, or pair with text. If you want to try a different shape, you can repeat the process with the original photo or duplicate the shaped result and experiment with alternatives. A quick tip: keep consistency in mind. Using the same shape style across multiple images can make a layout feel cohesive, while mixing a few complementary shapes can add variety without clutter. And that's it. You've opened your project, selected your image, used the shape cropper from the Apps section, explored more options with See All, positioned your photo precisely in the preview, and added the result to your design. Now you're ready to create clean, eye-catching compositions using shaped crops.